Our president So I think I'm going to pass the microphone to the entertainers here. They give us a word, what should we expect from them and stuff. And of course for T-Paul, I've seen him grow, and I'm proud of him. He has done his game. And other than that, to supporting it because he has worked. It's up to be celebrated. Yeah? Tipo, think about it, man. You deserve it. So I'm going to pass the microphone to Tipo to say something about the event. Thank you.
Everyone, good afternoon. Amazina nabanyata Taremwa Paul. Ninga bija mukumanyanga T-Paul. Ninga bande banyata Kakoba Paul. Yes. And I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone that has come here. The biggest stakeholders of our fan event, Ankole, NKORE, our fans. Thank you very much for coming through. And the DJs, the MCs, the influencers, and radio. Please thank everyone and all the stakeholders of Garabama. Yeah. And our sponsors, Aquafina. Our industry is vibrant these days because of such stakeholders. And Kacheche, on this, akatara kukatura motota orukunywa kafina na soda yonka. Muchikorota. Mujihana again. I can attest this man is a cleaning man. Hey, it's just to the kumadra. I'll put him more kuchikora. Anytime vibe never had you. So thank you very much. And on top of that, on top of my performance, in Zakugura ticket, is a fan about Kanye. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you very much.
I'm telling you, Zaman Tipo, Kakoma boy. Now we are joining our entertainers for tickets for his fans. Natije. Yagama nizakura table for Kacheche show. Njugule timu yanje. Bije bastama table. Na wana enda kustama table ga Natije. I'm telling you, Zaman Natije. I have many musicians actually and DJs and entertainers who are buying tickets for their fans. Remember them Nonga. Tariq, by the way. DJ Tariq Katente, Konkoba naza kujiganga. Utakambea area mayembegeni. Oh yes, sir. No mugige yoba. So my friend, I've worked with Tariq for a long time. He, Jeff DJ, Tony Dons, Clifford from way back. Miaka njati come 15 years, and we're still friends. Thank you so much, Tariq. Yeah? So I'm going to pass the microphone to my other brother, very good, talented. He also comes from Kakoba, and he's here to represent the MC fraternity. Listen, he's supposed to be summer also. They're all representing the MC fraternity. You put the need by MC. Yes, good. Shukran, say something.
Sure. Masibaje. My responsibility to Aquafina. Thank you so much. Abo bakatwemera. Davidson bitu mukozire bitu murabizemu. Wena akimanya ko kakajya muri abanje. Mweba mnonga amazina Shukran MC Kuruga TV West of course. Kind of course nenda kubagamba language show ne yitu. Kushanga kwa MC yafuna ba sponsor kabo ugesha abakabe bastamira abo mweshongozi. Kunkabariho aba MC. Echatanche kuri omuzano hatu batakagura ngo namana. Ito twabazaza Egypt twaza kai direct twaza kubore Kamana University na mwene 2018 mwana ni beta mumu nari performance aba MCs akwati na MCs bingi barungi munonga konkana bakajoninga bari bamuchitwa kubasakora kibasa ku basa ku pick no kanchika change ngaba garagabo lights on DJ MC Gaza Bless MC TJ ni bingi munonga twakwa so 2018 ni beta of course to roka to supporting of course because there is a 2018 anyway ukatoka manyana nyekija kandi mu supportinga narga out supportinga kansala and of course in industry yitu tunekwekunda kandi tukenza neyo bice kama bapera mugisha. Thank you so much. We're going to pass the microphone to our brother to give us something. He represents the gospel world. Manyiwe ikintu cyona kina kubera ngo kaba. So ico nyende bakikusibira. Thank you very much. In fact, in the Kakoba, we train to Yaba Kakoba.
And another thing, Kacheche is my OB in primary. So kunari virichi watch take a higo na nyasi marahanga. It gospel fraternity and kukunda because you have been there in our shows. Always you attend. Recently you were at the Mark T concert at Desta, and we saw you what it was very good and encouraging. And I want to tell you this: we are ready because you have Leviction, you have us, and that's why you see MC8Bs here. Jonah Media are here and coming from Gospel TVs. That's why you gather all, you don't segregate. So may God bless you, and we pray your day to be successful in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Madam Tenga Zaman Munonga.
Akina nayowa. Neza kula tiketi zemtwali 10 ozabantu.
But Mchenga Zaman Munonga shuka na MC. Ya kula tiketi 10. Katuswakuwa na Rogers. Rogers represents the dance family 24/7. He has been my good friend actually for a long time. Roger Momola bakati naye abadde for a long time, and he has his group 24/7 that have inspired the dance in Western Uganda. Tubere Kampala nga bakubuza nga wona obede Kampala bakubuza Kacheche ne bakubuza Rage bakakubuza rhythm selector bakakubuza nandi Kampala baza kumbuza dance. 24/7. He's a boy that has been behind 24/7. They have been there for years. Baba Dewatina Mwenjagala Mokole show as 24/7 because you guys have inspired so many dancers. Hot Steps. These guys represented Western Uganda. They became the best dancers in Uganda, representing from Western Uganda. No pain, no gain. So next time, Tati yako gani agenda kogera liba lero. Agenda abena mu yo manga ngamba yogera kiro gamba kiri agamba eki. Kati naye njagala byogere lero. He's my good friend, he's my brother. I've worked with him wayimidi agenda kutuka eri waggulu. I've worked with him for a long time. He's a good DJ. I think he's one of the DJs that has given Kampala DJs pressure. Every time he's on an event, you know we have a problem. He's talented. Actually, he doesn't know. His birthday is in January. I wanted him to do a show in January, and I'm going to stand with him as a DJ, celebrate rhythm selector, man. He has worked for this industry. He has played most of these guys' music here. He has supported everyone. So on your birthday around that January, if we're good to go, me, I'm ready to be part of you. We celebrate you as a rhythm selector, as a person. Yeah, man.
Akisongorokia na gamba kaka ndivyo kukatika kwasa minya bad minya kuamba kilistyle kanije chiriyo mupati kopeso nimba za kusimama manager wanje Kacheche. I love you so much. Naja kukanta kama kwa vizuri. Tipo Ejioso ni mangi baza kujitira pako Kacheche. Koko. Mazo. Ebili 18 abantu ngize mahajiri mu Kacheche manager wa Rasta Doko.
Selecta, kuluta ninga kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.